Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm MATIC, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we had the rate cut yesterday, and despite of the rate cut, market is down, Bitcoin is going down, not up. However, rate cuts are usually bullish, but why? And this is what I would like to talk about today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and now let's do it. Okay, well, we have the market here, which looks like that. So Bitcoin is actually down in the last 24 hours, 2.3%, 90,378 US dollar. Ethereum a bit more than 3% down, 3,208 US dollar. The top gainer is Maincore up 3%, Monero up 1%, but as you can see, no too many going really here up, rather down. We have Pango down 11%. We have Ether fee 10% down, Cardano almost 10%, and some others as well. So not just Bitcoin, altcoins going down too. And in this video, I would like to talk about why is this actually happening? Because look, this is how it looks like. We are in this ascending triangle, which is actually usually bullish, but you know, we're still going here sideways. We have actually now recently, when we're looking at since the 21st of November, higher and higher lows and higher highs. Oh, actually this high now, this high is actually again lower, as we can see it on the daily. So let's see how this is going to play out, because sometimes it breaks to the downside, sometimes to the upside, more likely to the upside, but we are in a downtrend, what we shouldn't really forget. So therefore, I would give a chance for the down version as well. But now let's talk about what happened at the FOMC meeting. So we had the FOMC meeting yesterday, and well, the 25 basis point rate cut happened. Just what the market predicted. It was like almost 90% chance that it's going to happen. So it happened. Therefore, the market priced it in. The market hasn't really moved. Everybody was waiting for Jerome Powell. What is he saying in the press conference? And actually, the words what he said, it weren't really bullish. And that's the reason why actually the market is not really moving. So let's check a couple of things. So first of all, we had the 25 basis point rate cut, which was the third rate cut in this year, 2025. At some point, you know, it will be just 2. It's now 3. Okay. Then another, which is kind of bullish thing, that Fed will begin purchasing US Treasury bills on December the 12th. So basically tomorrow. Fed will buy 40 billion of US Treasury bills in 30 days. But this is not the real QE, what people kind of mixing it. We also have now, here you can see it better, you know, 9 to 3 vote for rate cut and again. So as you can see, not the whole Fed is thinking the same direction. 3 of them didn't vote for the 25 basis point rate cut. 2 said it's like rather no rate cut, and 1 suggested actually higher rate cut, a 50 basis point. But you know, the thing is that the Fed signals rate cuts may be done for now. And I think this is the key factor why actually the market now for the short term is not really bullish. When you're looking at here the chances, let's refresh it. Yeah, still the same. So 80% now goes for the January, so next month, FOMC meeting, for no rate cut. And actually, when you're looking further, here the chances that this continues where we are right now, it's also higher, and this is basically March. Then we're looking at April, which is like neck and neck, that we're going to have a 25 basis point rate cut, or the situation going to change. So no, it won't change. and then the real chance for a rate cut is coming here in June. And if we're looking at this is, it's kind of half a year from now. And if there will be no rate cuts in the next couple of FOMC meetings, that's really not really bullish for the market. So I think this is the key thing. Fed Chair Powell may be halting rate cuts again. And this is the main reason why I think we didn't really continue. So in my opinion, we're still in the bearish mood. And of course, usually a relief rally is happening. That can come at some point, in the Q1 maybe. But after that, it's also a good chance that we're going to continue to the downwards direction. And look, here is that QE is coming, and I just talked about this 40 billion what the Fed going to buy the next 30 days. But as here CryptoKid also saying, it's that this is how it looked like back then, and this is where we are right now, and then this can go up here, but the impact of it, it's not immediate. It takes months and months, half a year, more than a half a year. So rather, what's going to start now and starting now-ish will have an impact on the market really, in the summer kind of thing, or maybe after the summer when actually the market can become bullish again. And then don't forget the new Fed chair will come in May. So now what this is the Jerome Powell saying, it's like, maybe no rate cuts now for a while. Also here, look, that the FOMC dot plot indicated just one more reduction in 2026. So just only one rate cut and another one in 2027. So this is not a lot, but this is what I believe going to change when the new Fed chair will take its position, who is pretty much, Donald Trump's choice, and Trump wants rate cuts. So probably this is going to change, but this is right now the situation. And this, I believe, why the market is not really moving to the upside. By the way, yesterday we did have nice inflows finally into Bitcoin spot ETF, but we're going to see how that's going to continue after the present situation. Okay. And yeah, that's it. Basically, just like another topic quickly, there is another Satoshi Nakamoto statue. This statue, what you can see here, it is already in Switzerland, in El Salvador, Japan, Vietnam, Miami, and now also in New York. So this is the kind of statue which is spreading, around the world and being in many countries, places, spreading, the culture of Bitcoin and Satoshi. Guys, that's it for today. I think bottom line, we're still in this kind of bearish mood. I do believe in 2026 we're going to see nice upsides, but it takes time. The QE, it takes time that the market can react and so on and so forth. It's not happening immediately. Also, maybe some more pain is coming because the Fed is always reacting after that. So yeah, interesting times ahead, I believe, but that's it so far. Don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.